Hi, welcome back. Welcome back to the Honda Tune-Up video series. So our next step is checking the air filter for any debris and possibly replacing it. That is a really clean filter. I don't even think that's worth replacing. You would think I never mowed my lawn before. It's kind of embarrassing. You could take a rag though and just wipe out any dust in here. But on this particular model, this is where the air filter is located. It's very simple. You can purchase this as well as the oil and a new spark plug all in one kit. I got this at Home Depot.
Where do the spark plugs go?
Right here.
Just in
So
case.
if you do want to replace the spark plug, there's your spark plug wire. Pull that cap off. Looks like a 3/4 inch deep well socket, and you're going to need a deep well socket because that's about 1.5 inches deep. So in order to bite that, that's what you'll need. But I'm not going to replace that because it's not necessary. And when you're done replacing it, just put that back on, you'll hear it snap. So you can see from the motor sucking in air, it does get a little dirty in here. I'm not too concerned with all this stuff though, especially with the clean air filter. So we're going to put the air filter back in. The air filter cover. Make sure those tabs bite. All right, and that's how to change the air filter on this Honda mower. Happy mowing.